Hello guys, welcome back in today's crypto technical analysis. Today, as usual, we do a multiple time frame analysis for BTC and Ethereum, and we're also going to look at some scalping setups for BTC. However, before we start, I would like to remind you, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Last night we had a weekly time frame close, and at the moment, as you can see, that is a bullish engulfing candle. However, below resistance levels on each time frame, this type of bullish engulfing candles, which are most commonly used ones, they have a less effect. So the weekly time frame resistance levels are important. Resistance levels are going to be 29,200 is going to be extremely important based on a weekly time frame, as well as all the way up to 31,500 is going to be your next resistance level. However, when it comes to support, we've got daily time frame confluence with a weekly time frame support. That's going to be 25,200 is going to be the weekly time frame support. That's a very important one. And as I said, that was a initial higher time frame setup. As long as we stayed above 17,500 and 18,500, that was target number one was a $30,000, followed by all the way up to target number three and four, $36,000. However, we reached to that first target level and we saw decent over 75%, nearly 80% pump in the market. And as you know, as soon as that was a bear market exit, 60,000, 52, as well as the last one was $48,000, and we saw again massive over 70% dump in the market. Moving on to a daily time frame. Based on a daily time frame, we can see clear picture above on the weekly time frame 17,500, 18,000. However, this candle was extremely important. 19,200 and $500 was daily time frame resistance. As you can see, we had a breakout back into consolidation with a V-shaped recovery. We reached to target number one, which was a $30,000. And from the 19,500 and $300, we saw massive pump in the market, 60%. However, with the current price action, without losing a daily time frame, but at the moment, right exactly from daily time frame, we're getting rejection, over 40% pump in the market. So the important levels based on a daily time frame, as I said, in the first place, 27,100 all the way up to 25,200 is going to be extremely important. Losing this level, that's going to create a panic in the market. However, the resistance levels, 28,500 is a daily resistance. As you can see, we're getting a rejection based on a lower time frame, and we will see how the daily time frame will play out. Without breaking and closing above this level, 28,500, claiming this resistance as a support or clean breakout, it's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change based on a daily time frame as well as the medium time frame, which is 4-hour time frame. Losing 27,100, the daily time frame will get back under the consolidation. However, losing, as I said, $25,200, that will create a panic in the market. As I said, that's a bearish scenario on the daily time frame. So keep an eye on these levels. ETH on the daily time frame, 1950 is going to be extremely important. Without claiming this resistance as a support, it's going to be early for us to talk about the trend change based on a higher time frame. At the moment, we're seeing a rejection. However, losing 1850 daily time frame will get back under the consolidation, and an important level that we cleared the target number one. As I said, target number two is going to be 1700, followed by all the way up to 1650. Losing this level, 1755, that's going to be a daily time frame last support, and losing this level, that will create a panic in the market, and highly likely that we're going to see 1650 target levels. So that at the moment we're in a no man's land. Breaking this level, claim it as a support, then 2000 plus will be on the table. However, getting back under the consolidation, as I said, this level is going to be a must hold level. If we're going to get back consolidation level, then highly likely that we will lose this level, and target level long the way to target level 1700 all the way up to 1645 is going to be the target number two. 4-hour time frame on Ethereum. As soon as we broke this market structure, as you can see, this was a resistance. First rejection, second rejection, and then yesterday we cleared with a single breakout. And at the moment, 4-hour is under the bull's control. However, as I said, daily time frame as well as the mid-higher time frames are heavily under the bear's control, and therefore you have to be aware of their levels. As soon as we got rejection right from here, we had the target number one cleared, target number two, as I said, $1,700 all the way up to 1650 is going to be the target number three. So at the moment, we might see a likely rejection from here, and I will be keeping an eye on to the lower time frames. Losing this level again, 1880, we'll get back under the consolidation and we might lose the level, and this is the important level. So we saw as a target number one, decent 9% plus dump in the market, and if you're a leverage trader, you did the maths for yourself. Before we move on to further analysis, If you want to learn all these technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8 and 101 Intense Masterclass is available. It only takes you 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. Moving on to some scalping analysis. I gave this setup on the 24th of May that I was saying 2 key support levels, and I was keeping an eye on to these support levels, and SWIP is likely the key support, and then we may see a bounce. So as you can see, I was talking about support number 1, which is this support, key support, and clearing this support where we're going to take this liquidity. As you can see, we had it perfectly took that liquidity where we had a rejection right from value area high plus 0.618 the Fibonacci level, and we saw decent bounce in the market. And altogether that I said, as soon as we claimed this level where we had a key support plus momentum and volatility support as well, and I opened a small long, and I had a 2 position. One I closed with a break even, another one I closed with a 3.5 art trade. We had another setup. As you can see, point of control held. As I mentioned, take these setups with a 3 to 10 minute shot, and we saw decent bounce in the market. As you can see, we ended up with this trade. That was a 2.9 art trade. I shared this setup on the 26th of May. The next one I shared on the 27th of May. As you can see, an application comes under the, as always, 3 to 10 minute time frames. We had to either clean this and then retested it, bounce, or the breakout with the retest towards the downside. However, with the one position, I've got stopped out the 0.4 hour loss, and then the second one, as soon as we claimed this one on the 3 to 5 minute charts, and I took it this long, and I closed with a 3.3 hour trade. As you can see, these setups are given in advance in public. Mostly I shared these ones on my Twitter account. You can follow me via Twitter at @the_magnate, and at the moment we're just bouncing right from value area low. So we've got confluence, point of control, claim it as a support, then all the way up to this level, that's going to be 28,280. This is a bit choppy zone, which I'm not that much interested. Losing this support, claim it as a resistance, and then we can dump all the way up $26,630, $50. So this is the next setup that I'm keeping an eye on the scalping. So if you're interested in the scalping and swing and long-term setups, you can get in touch for one-on-one masterclass via Telegram at Magnate8. At the moment, we've got current Fibonacci level that you're going to take it based on a 4-hour time frame. 6th of May all the way to this low, that's going to be 12th of May, and we're having a rejection right from 618. Yes, we got a bullish trend change. However, higher time frame is against at this moment on the 4-hour time frame. As soon as we broke 27,600, we had a bullish trend change based on a 4-hour time frame. As I said, as we can see that we're getting rejection right from here, and 27,800 is a must-hold level based on a 4-hour time frame, claiming that's the first level. However, important level is going to be 28,300 and 500, extremely important. Then 30,000, 32,000 will be on the table. However, it is slightly early. We might see at this type of price action if we can't claim the support. First target level is going to be, as you remember, that we've been following 25,200, that we're going to clear all these local lows, followed by $24,000 are going to be the next target level. Also, we've got a confluence with a hybrid system, as you remember. As you can see, that's a confluence with a 0.618 and then the smart money line. At the moment, we're just below the smart money line. So claiming this level above, and then the new long setups will be opened. Otherwise, the shorts are in play. So losing this time 27,200 is going to be important level. Losing this level, highly likely 25,200, as I said, followed by $24,000 is going to be on the table. I'm not going to cover on this episode 1 hour and 2 hour time frames. These time frames are extra noise, and we came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.